So today I'm going to talk to you about manual drafting and techniques in manual drafting. The first techniques I want to talk about are line types and line weights. So there are a lot of line types. There are hidden lines, for example. Hidden lines are dotted lines using a 2H pencil. So I'll just show you there. And we use a 2H pencil for hidden lines because they are going to be drawn lightly on your manual drafting sheet. The next line type I'm going to show you is construction line. So a construction line is a line that will just go across your page that isn't a part of the drawing, but you use it for construction in making the manual drafting drawing. That again will be using a 2H pencil and will be lightly across your page. The next line type then will be your finish line, using a HB pencil or a pencil of your preference. So that then is a straight line and it should be a bit heavier than the other pencils, as you can see there. Now I'm going to talk to you lines of different angles. So using your set squares you can make different angles. So using your 45-degree set square you can make an angle of 45 degrees. So angle there is 45 degrees. You can also make an angle of 90. That's 90 up straight there. And then if you switch over to your 30 set square, 30-60 set square, you can make your angle of 30 here. That's 30. And your angle of 60 here. That should be 60. Then to make other angles, I'd use the protractor. So if I have to make 15 degrees, I'd mark off 15 here, and mark off the centre here, and I just join my line up there. The line there is 15, and make 75, do the same again, mark off centre, I'd go to 75, 75 is here, and then I just join them up again. And that angle there is 75 degrees. 15. So next I'm going to show you perpendicular lines. So a perpendicular line will be, it's using my T-square. So first I just draw a line, and to draw a perpendicular line I get from my set squares again, and just from that line straight up using my T-square and set square. That there is a perpendicular line. Next I'm going to show you parallel lines. So again, you have a line here, parallel line there, and when it's straight like that, it's easy to do a parallel line because you can use a T-square. But if the line wasn't straight and if it was off at an angle, it's easy to do again. You get your set squares and you use sliding set squares. So you put your set squares along that line, you get your other set square and you push up against here. You just slide it up and along, and no matter where it is, it's going to be parallel to that line there. So this line is parallel to that line, and so again is this line parallel. Next I'm going to talk to you a bit about creating circles and curves. So to create circles, it's very easy. You know your radius, you get your compass, and you can just create any circle you want. It's no matter. Any size circle once you know your radius, it's no matter. Then to create curves, how I'd create curves is I'd use the rectangle method that you'd use in making parabolas. So that's just, you'd have a square there. I'll just draw it up real quickly and roughly for you. Square here. You draw a line out from this. So divide up this line here into sections. You do the same in this line. You'd have that divided into sections. So 3 sections there, and just 3 again. So what you do is you will draw these lines back to your corner there, line back to your corner here, and this final line back to your corner here. And using your T-square and your set square, you draw these lines straight up. Somewhere there. Now, next thing to do, you just join your dots. Make your points there, you just come up, and there's a curve for you. So there are some manual drafting techniques that I would use when doing a manual drafting sheet.